So it's Christmas time, time for a bit of a match up with me and Ant. We've also got a new little product to try out, so the Forte Apex 6. It's not the warmest, it's a little bit damp, and he's already started practicing every single time. He can't help himself. So yeah, we'll try and get as many as we can, but yeah. Alright then, so Christmas grudge match begins. We've played a few holes just to get ourselves warmed up.
It's been a while, isn't it?
Yes, I don't think we've seen Ant on camera since Traditions.
It's got a lot worse.
Yeah, so Ant's now off 15, I'm off 18, but we're playing scratch though.
We're trying.
Oh, hello. It's gone a little bit right.
Has it gone right at the fairway?
Maybe. It's not quite where you wanted it.
It's been the story of the day so far. Right. Can you do any better?
Probably not.
Do you prefer this camera?
You're not a fan of,
No.
of the more expensive one, are you? Just put my feet miles below. Are you dropping your club?
No, I'm just trying to put you off.
Okay. Just missed the left though, isn't it?
So one day I might do the editing of these videos. I might paint those white tees red using paint.
So Ant's off-roading a little bit. Yeah, so that over there is actually the hole we're playing. So cross one fairway, across the other one, and the flag is somewhere over there, the yellow one. What have you got, about 200 yards? The hole's only about 350. So what club?
Hybrid. Boomerang seems to be in style at the moment.
Oh, hello!
Rubbish this game.
He's back to where he was. Coming 3 shots down since we've started this. Actually, since we've started this, well, it's actually, sorry, since I've started this, I've come down 2 and a bit shots, and you've come down how many? 9?
Yeah, 24, yeah.
Sorry about the wind.
Back up right now.
He started on 24, he's now 15.
Make it look as if the ball went further by hitting iron, not iron now.
Zooming on Ant there, sorry, the worst in the world. Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, that's better.
So, I'm talking us through the new hat. So, or hats.
Comfortable, head's warm. I'm not a fan of the bubbles, but I'm being converted.
Being converted. So we got sent these from a company from Leicester actually called Bunker Bros. So they kindly sent it, and actually I've worn it out a few times. If you follow us on Instagram, the missus decided that it's now her hat. She nicked it yesterday. But for a change, I don't get an itchy head. So if you are losing your hair like me, it might actually be a decent hat for you. But Ant's got a full head of hair and a big beard these days.
Yeah, I wore it in Wimbledon last night, if I'm honest.
There you go. So you're rocking them.
Yeah. You do know I'm still going to win this hole because I'll one putt and you're 3.
Yeah, that's fine. You've played 2 already. I've got
3 I've played.
3, sorry, I've got 140.
Yeah.
And wins in, so I'm going to hit an 8 iron and hopefully beat you.
Oh, that's a nice shot. Ah, I lied.
Wind killed it.
Did. It did.
Right then, so just filming behind here. I think he's only going an 8 iron, but we've been given some golf balls from Forte. Just want to see how they react. So is he going to stop? Nice. Not happy with that. So I'm just in here, just a little one just coming up.
Yeah, it's not that much run on them either.
It bounced about as far as it flew in the air.
What's that?
How are you seeing it?
Ah, I think it's going to tail off just to the left at the end. But to be fair, you just got to get it in 2 and then you're 1 up. Just stayed dead straight.
Yeah.
Didn't even move.
Right there, but...
Oh, this has got to go then, isn't it? Oopsie.
How many have you played now, Ant?
4. Need this. Down the slope.
Oh, hit it. Yeah, it's given.
Rubbish. And that's why it wasn't given. All square.
Yep. 7th, it's only a 240 par 4, but Ant's going with a 5 iron.
Yeah.
So knock it at the middle of the fairway and go from there. Oh, within it. Just
So bad.
over there by the trees. Not loving it. It's all square, so not too bad. Bit tricky for me though, because it's blind. I've overdone that one.
Yeah, I've got one on me. I think it's a yellow chrome soft. Enjoy.
Right. For birdie. Oh no. Licked it right. Alright! Might be your hole here, mate.
It's because the camera's out.
Yeah. Big 60 for me then.
Yeah, lovely shot. Look at it. Lovely divot.
Getting tall with those.
Hmm?
Getting tall with those. Look at that. Just look. Oh. Like no one was ever there.
Slightly fortunate you're on the tee. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, I might have nearly just killed 3 old boys, but there you go. After my wild drive, I've recovered to being here. Ant's got 2 for it really. He gets up and down. Nice, it's going to go in. Oh, well, that's gone flying by. Oh, Ant. Just letting me in there, mate. What are you doing?
Yeah.
That's it.
Needed it to hit.
Do you want to Yeah, I'll keep recording. He's still already got 2 putts though, because I'm not going to hold mine. Yeah, give him that. So that's 5. That means I've got to hold this anyway.
Good effort.
Your hold, mate. Right, so we've got 600 yards downwind, and Ant's now on his yellow ball. Oh, he's using that wind. Oh, that's an awful bit of zoom for me again, I apologise. That just could come back into the fairway?
No, it's just left, bro.
Just left. Isn't it?
High. I think it went high.
Yeah, but again, with the wind behind you, it's not the worst shot, is it? So.
No. You're just hoping with the wind behind you going. Yeah. Because let's be honest, the tees are a lot forward.
Yeah.
Right, they're supposed to be there.
Yeah, so we're not playing 600 today, it's 550 maybe.
Yeah.
Right, let's see what these apex are like downwind then. Oh, where's that hook coming from? This is why we don't get buggies, because we would be everywhere. Christmas films today. What's your favourite Christmas film, man? Elf. Yeah. I think Home Alone is kind of the go-to for me.
Put it this way: if Home Alone 1 or 2 is on the TV, I'll watch it.
So I think it's just you're not turning it off are you at any point. So
I'm a big Will Ferrell fan. I like Will Ferrell.
You like Will Ferrell. Yeah. Right, so a bit of an update. What have we been invited to as a pair?
Yeah, Surrey Pairs.
Surrey Pairs. So we won our pairs comp here. I think we spoke about a while ago, and yeah, we've been invited for the Surrey Pairs one. So I think that starts in March, was it?
We won't last long by playing like this.
No. So yeah, I think we need to do some serious work. So if anyone out there wants to try and help Ant with his golf swing, that'd be great. Because actually mine's perfect, although I've just gone miles across there.
So what's the score?
Yeah, I'm losing at the moment as always, because Ant's got a decent short game and I've not. So yeah, so we've got that coming up. Slight problem is that he's getting married, so I think that might impact when we can play them.
No, golf is the priority.
Golf first. So G's gonna watch this and understand that, actually.
Well, I haven't organised a suit yet because we're playing golf in the morning. I'm actually going to rock up and golf away.
So yeah, we'll try and we'll try and do a bit before that. Hopefully, trying to sort our flaws out, particularly Ant's rights and my lefts, and then hopefully we can win it. I think trust the 5 wood, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got a decision. Do you carry on playing down the 11th fairway or do you get across?
Well, I think wind behind. I think if hit their bags, it's a decent shout.
Yeah. Even over the red tree.
Yeah, I agree. They're out of range, aren't they?
Yeah. It's greedier than I thought. Great shot. And they didn't look behind themselves, so they were clearly out of distance.
Yeah, not quite like on the tee when I shouted and they didn't look.
Actually, on second thoughts, now I've had to think about it, the best Christmas film this year?
Yeah.
World Championship darts.
Right then, so Ant is just off the fairway because he hit it a little bit straighter than I did. Tree's not impacting him hopefully, but with his weird swing you never know.
Well, you always think because of my left to right, I should go down there. I'm going to go down, I'm going to cheat.
Or you're going to get your big boomerang?
I don't know, I'm just going to try and go straight down.
Down left then, yeah.
Oh, I think this tree is in the way.
Yeah, but is it if you swing if you swing actually down the proper fairway, is it in the way anymore? So Dan, if you swing as if you're going straight, is it actually in the way, or is it just because you've changed your plane or your axis of rotation? Oh, he's not sure now. What are you thinking? It's a little punchy one. He probably has to hit it better doing that, to be fair.
That's the problem.
Yeah, but that's fine though, because it's not slicey, and it's got like. I've still got this theory with you that if you go half-assed at it, actually it goes better sometimes.
Yeah.
So who knows? Who knows? Ant's doing his off-roading again, but actually he's with the land angle, because he's not sliced that one. It's done all right. Sorry about the wind if you can't really hear me. So yeah, he's got it's over 150 just coming in. Struck it well. Just zoom the other way. It's just on the path there. Yeah, not bad. I feel like we've been here before.
Take the hit, take the...
What, take a hit and hit the ball?
No, take the medicine.
It was quite a popular one on Instagram. It's been shared about 1 million times so far.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and hit a little slidey one, I think, and see if I can get back online.
Ah, that's very nice. That's very nice.
Yeah, that's better than I thought. I thought I was going to get smashed in the nads again.
Yeah, no, that was great. By the way, you put your feet. Your feet were really aiming left.
Yeah, but again, it's that thing of trying to be in a position where you're swinging left, but the face is left, and you're swinging. So therefore, yeah. So Ant is just off the path there. He's only got about 40 yards in. See how he does. What club, Ant? 9-iron for Ant. That's not bad. You do save yourself some shots, don't you?
Yeah, it wasn't very nice down here either.
A bit wet and muddy.
Nice.
Please don't thin it. Please don't thin it. It's like I was a magnet. You can still come back from this. Put it this way, it's going to take me to probably, realistically, dustbin lid.
Never getting close enough. Still me?
I believe it is. I believe it is. Might as well just permanently attach this camera to my hand.
I think just come off the right here.
Give me, yeah.